Hi, this is Mr. Hammer and I'm here to show you how to use my website. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll get to the home page, which will look like this. You'll click on current chapter link. You'll have a Google Doc here, which is like the schedule. Then you will have the videos. Then you'll have the textbook, the answers to the questions from the textbook, and finally some extra practice questions. So looking first at this file, if it shows up nice and large on your device, that's fine, you can leave it like this. Otherwise you can tap and click on this link here. That will open up a new tab and it'll make it larger. If you want to make it larger for viewing, go ahead and click on the 100% mark and make it, as big as you want. There's 200%. So first of all, there's a few things you're going to have here. This is all the plans, the entire schedule for whatever chapter we're looking at. It will normally have a date range so you can know when it starts and when it ends. Usually we will culminate with a test. All the videos are in purple, so you can jump ahead to see what videos you need to watch. As well, you will have titles of sections that we're covering, for example 8.1 relating fractions, decimals, and percents. And you'll have two different types of homework. You'll have homework from the textbook and extra practice. Scrolling down all the way to the bottom, in red, you will have schedules for Google Meet, and down at the bottom, information about the test. So now going back to the website, I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. And there's the first video, there's the second video. I'll be adding a few more videos shortly. There's the textbook. You can scroll right from inside here and get to whatever page you need to. If that's big enough, that's great. Again, you can tap if you want to move it into a new tab. It'll open up as a new tab, and there you've got it nice and large to work with. Scrolling down a little bit more, we have the homework answers. I'm going to enlarge that. And here you have the answers to all the textbook questions. You'll see that it goes from 8.1 to 8.2, and then it actually circles back up to the right. Now what you should be doing is you should be checking every single question over here to make sure you've gotten it correct after you've completed it. And here are the options. If you got it correct, go ahead and give yourself a check. If you didn't get it correct, take a look at the answer. So in this case, 2A was 25%. Look back at the question and see if you can work backwards and think, well, how would one get to 25%? How could that be the answer? What would I do to get there? If that helps, good, give yourself a check. If that still doesn't work, ask for help at home, or if not, go ahead and email me at michael.hammer@tdsb.on.ca. Tell me the specific section, the page, and the question, and I will go ahead and take that up in the very next video. Moving along back to the website, the last section to check is the extra practice, which is down here. I'm going to tap and make that larger. The extra practice, you'll have sections, all the sections for the whole chapter. Here's 8.1, there's 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, and 8.5. And then at the very end of the extra practice, that's where you're going to see the answers. So basically, that's how you use the website. You go to the chapter that you're working on, which will be listed as current chapter on the main page. You will look at the Google document there to find out exactly what you need to be working on. You will see the videos posted right below. Then you'll see the textbook. Then you'll see the answers to the textbook questions, followed by the extra practice. Now as we start to move along, there will be more and more chapters added. And you'll be able to go here on the upper right hand corner and go back to any other chapter that you may want to review. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.